Welcome. It is Tuesday, and now I am working on the rest of the body, minus the arms and the hands. But I am doing a little bit of, I'm thinking that there's the arms, some of the hands are a little bit stubby looking now that I'm starting to put it all together. And the arm that's like up like this, I don't know. It's kind of bothering me. So I'm going to do some kind of looking, staring, comparing, and just kind of see if it's right before I start getting in with too many layers. I want to get those kinks out before I start making major decisions. So, in this lesson, I'm going to focus on the neck area. I'm going to focus on the chest area. And one thing I have to kind of determine is what value do I want to make that area? Because it is a lot of it is in shadow, but do I want to make it too dark? I definitely don't want it. I want to make sure that the head and the body look like they belong with each other. So determining the value of the chest area, the neck, and so forth, is going to take a little bit more layering. So I'm going to start with a specific value, and then I'm going to start adding the hand and the rest of the body, the arms and the hands. And then I'll go back to that area in the chest to determine, is it too dark? Should I lighten it up a bit? I also want to work on making sure that the head, yes, does look like it is a part of the body. So it's even though I'm doing the initial block in is one build up of many. I'm going to start a little darker for now, and then I'm going to work it up. Just like the skin tone and just like other areas of the face and the painting. So today I focus on the neck and the body. Thursday, I will be demonstrating the rest, the hands, those things that stress me out, the hands and the arms. And I'm going to start really determining, making sure the proportion is correct. And I don't know if it just kind of looks out of proportion as I start filling in all the areas. So I just want to make sure that it's right. And it's, what it could be is just that the values I just need to block in the correct values to get the shape. I don't know. We'll see. We'll work on it. So what I want, what I want to be honest with is that the blocking in phase is still foundational. It's still gathering information. And it's also not finishing. I'm still kind of thinking, I'm still kind of determining, what direction and where I want to go here. So, yes, it's not always going to be perfect. And yes, I may need to adjust afterwards, after I look at it for a while and after I add the additional puzzle pieces to the painting. I don't know yet. I'm going to put down some information, but I think that I will know more as I start adding the other pieces to the puzzle. We'll see. And you get to see it as well, and we'll talk through it. All right, so it's Tuesday. I'm going to be blocking that part of the body in. Happy Tuesday, happy creating, and I'll see you back here on Thursday.